Anyway, I'm big sad kasi I booked separate rooms sana for me and Rod. However, there's a miscommunication. So what happened? Isa na lang yung room namin. And eto pa, grabe. Look at the bed. Ang liit. I'm so sad.
The library.
Hi guys, it's my day one here in Coron. I just arrived this morning, so we're gonna go.
We just arrived this morning.
And we're checking out their bay walk area, and it's very wide and napaka-natural. Sobra, it's so nice for sunset session here at Coron Bay. Morning everyone! It's my birthday today and this is my room. This is my room. So simple, right? Here at CYC Beach. Very pretty here. It's a small space, but you can take a lot of photos, of course. And we are drowning. Woo! So we're here at Twin Lagoon and this is how it looks like. Hi guys, so we're going up to Kayangan Lake. I didn't know that this is Apple Island all over again.
Reklamo? Kaya natin yan.
Yeah, this is only 300 steps. It's so
Alam niyo kung
easy.
bakit tinawag na Kayangan Lake to?
Why?
Kasi Kayangan Lake to.
Kaya. guys, so we're here now.
Isa.
Yep.
Camera, hindi natin ikutan.
Okay. With Isa. She's not happy with the view.
Kaya ka isa?
Okay lang naman. Gusto ko lang maligo, pero hindi ko lang saan banda.
Okay, my tour is done and I'm with still with the team band. Hi guys. Hi guys, chill. Dinner time. We're finally going to eat chicken at the bowl. We're expecting a wine tonight and a chocolate cake. They don't have it. The cake. It's our birthday too.
Not yet.
Hi guys, they're going now. Bye. And have a safe night. Guys, so I done swimming. Yes, we're going to Coron Town tour. Guys, so someone bought.
I have my new...
Alam mo, I don't know if he's on vacation
What
or
is
he's on a
this called
shopping.
again?
Dry bag.
I have my new dry bag and I'm so happy it comes in gray, yeah.
Guys, this is Hi guys, I'm going down na. I'm with Jerome.
Hi!
Napaka-hyper na tour guide,
Let's
right?
go!
Aba,
Kasi po, pababa na kaya hyper.
yes. Pero kanina, so weak.
Very slow.
Gonna go. Look at Jerome. Jerome! Hi guys, so we're off to Mount Maquinit hot spring. And we're so done. Hi guys, so we're at Maquinit Spring. And someone is enduring the temperature, hot temperature. Ang init guys, ang init. Oh my gosh guys. Tapos so I rented a motorcycle right now and look. Ta-da! Look what happened. And this is the road. I'm stuck. Guys, this is my destination. Eto. I have a map. And I'm not sure where am I right now. So I'm gonna check my Google Maps. Sana may signal. Hey guys, so look. Ganyan yung dadaanan. And look. And because of this plant, na-crush ako. So after 2 semi-crash or mini-crash, yes, I crashed a motorbike. I'm finally here at BALI Beach. Galing ko talaga. This is how it looks like. drive the trail. And lumagpas ako sa Bali Beach. This is the Bali Beach and then dun ako pumunta sa pinakaunahan. Grabe. I can't believe it. And this is my lunch.